the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Oh, what a day here in the Coastal Bend. Beautiful blue skies. That means that Saharan dust we had a few weeks ago is gone. Our live sky cam from one shoreline looking west, that looks absolutely gorgeous. It is on the hot side, though. All right, let's take a look. Believe it or not, for the second day in a row, we had a record low temperature. And this morning, it was 68 degrees, breaking the old record of 70 set back 1 year ago today. How about that? 2018. Yesterday's record low was 69. So while parts of the world are heating up, we seem to be cooling off a little bit here in South Texas. That's because of the dry air. At least during the nighttime hours, you get radiational cooling. That dry air is right there. A little bit of moisture out here in the Gulf, but right now it's not headed this way. So we're going to stay mainly dry with the exception of a few isolated to stray showers over the weekend because of this dry air in place. That's reflected by the dew point temperature, which is only 61. Normally that never gets below 70 in the summertime here, and we spend most of the time in the mid to upper 70s on that dew point. But it is down and it is dry. The dew point temperature does come up into the low 70s tomorrow and the mid 70s on Sunday, so more humid for sure. And then with the humidity continuing to increase, we'll see mid 70s here on Monday and Tuesday. This is for the dew point temperature now. So that's the air you can wear, so to speak, and that's a reflection of more wind. Tomorrow, not so much. East-southeast about 10 to 15, so fairly light. But it gets windy here by Sunday afternoon and again on Monday. Monday will be the windiest day before the winds start to come back down again on Tuesday. So it's good that the big winds aren't going to last too long. Mariners, if you have plans, you definitely want to go tomorrow versus Sunday. All right, it's 90 now with 89 at 6 p.m. We'll drop into the upper 70s by 11 o'clock tonight. Again, we'll have another night of light winds, but instead of out of the north, they'll primarily be off the water out of the east. But they do drop into the low to mid 70s here by daybreak, and we'll see a morning low of 73 degrees. That will not be a record, with 71 in Beeville, but 80 over in Port Aransas. Now the day planner for tomorrow, if you're going to be up early in the morning on Saturday, pleasant and tranquil. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds and 75 degrees, but look at that wind, under 5 miles an hour starting out, and only 10 miles an hour, hot and steamy at noon and 90 degrees, and then sweltering heat with a moderate breeze, but still not bad, and sunshine and 91 at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Mid-afternoon, we'll hit 94 with 88 in Port Aransas and 98 inland at George Weston Freer, and right behind Hebronville and the Rialitos there at 97. So satellite and radar shows that we have crystal clear skies, as we saw on our Skycam moments ago. We still have this old frontal system. This is the one that went through on Tuesday that brought some beneficial rain to parts of the area. We only had 500ths officially, but again, that's out here in the Gulf. No signs of this developing in spite of a northeast wind on one side and a southwest wind on the other. But again, this is not developing due to wind shear, and that moisture is moving away from us, not towards us. So the rainfall this weekend will be very limited as high pressure will continue to dominate in spite of the fact it's slowly pulling away from us. All right, take a look at these temperatures nationally. They are warming up, but still unusually low and in the 80s over most of the country east of the Rockies. That's not talking about Texas, though. As far as tomorrow morning, again, a couple stray to isolated showers. Tomorrow afternoon, hardly anything. May see one or two off in the distance. Same on Sunday morning near the coast, but again, not much in the afternoon. Rainfall amounts will, again, as always, vary widely, but overall are going to average a few hundredths of an inch, or maybe a couple spots that get a little more than that between now and Monday afternoon. Here's your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. 73 tonight, will reach at least 93 tomorrow with isolated showers. Windy then by Sunday afternoon and 95 on Monday. And then as we move into the middle of next week, the humidity continues to come back along with sweltering heat. Look at that, Paulo. 98 on Tuesday and 97 to 96 Wednesday through Friday. We may pick up a morning shower on Thursday, but again, not a big deal in the rainfall department as upper level high pressure is going to dominate. We'll show that at 6 o'clock.
And those 60s were nice for the last couple mornings.
Unbelievable. What a treat from Mother Nature.
There you go. Thank you for that, Dale.